Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I am here with a DIY. It's going to be my new paintbrush holder. What you're going to need is a Lazy Susan. I suggest checking your thrift stores because I checked last night at Walmart and the cheapest one at Walmart was $10. And I'm like, nope, I have time. Went to St. Vincent de Paul this morning and voila, found one. That's one piece you're going to need. Next thing is go to your local Dollar Tree. You may have these already. It's these little paint holders. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue 3 of them on here. And I clean these off on the bottom. As you can tell, one is really dirty because I've been using it. And E6000. That's all you're going to need. Oh, and I E6000 my little legs in these. They are not coming off. I did that a few weeks ago. So all I am going to do is take some E6000 and I'm just going to go on the bottom. And you don't want to go right to the edge because it does hang off just a little bit. I'm actually going to do all of them real quick before I put this one on. I just get a good amount of the E6000. My poor tube has seen better days. And there might be other glue you could use. I just have E6000, so that's what I'm using. I'm just tapping, getting a good amount on there. I hate the smell of this stuff too, but it's what I got. That's what I'm going to use. You could use super glue, I imagine. Okay. This guy's going to come back in this house and go, "What's that smell?" And I'll be like, "It's my glue." There we go. I'm just going to spread it around in a circle. Kind of get a good portion. Come on. There we go. I'm actually going to go get a popsicle stick real quick. Sorry. I should have grabbed that right away. And I'm just going to spread this out a little bit on this, like maybe like frosting. Add a little bit more on this side. And just spread out a little bit. All right. Add a little bit more to this one. I see I missed a couple spots inside. I want a good amount of glue on this so it doesn't come off. All right, I think we're good here. Got a good amount. And I'm just going to flip and lay 2 down, like so, and then the third. And I am going to try to center them as best as possible. It looks pretty good to me. Like so. And move just a smidgen. There we go. Now, it'll be a few hours before it dries. And if I wanted to, and I thought about this, is gluing them together up here so they're tight, but then I thought, nah. And then I also thought about putting a cup in the center and then having them out further, and then I went, nah, and this is my solution. So then, once I get my brushes in, I can spin to where I want. There we go. That is my paintbrush holder DIY. I'm going to take these out for now. I will post a picture of this in Tina's Crafted group once it's nice and dry and glued. And it looks good. I didn't get any glue off the side. That's what I didn't want. It looks pretty good. Staying good. Sticking good. Voila. I'm very happy with it. So, I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, like I said, check your local thrift stores for Lazy Susan, because they are not cheap. And Dollar Tree, they don't seem to carry them. I've been looking for a couple weeks now. So, there we go. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. If you have any questions, leave them in the description box below, and I will answer it to my best ability. Bye!